Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to put the do not disturb mode. Probably if you're working and you don't want people to disturb you when you work, I'm going to show you how to go about it. Right? Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more iPhone tips. Okay. So the first thing you do is click on focus, and then you click on do not disturb. Actually, you have to go to your settings, and then you click on focus and then do not disturb, and then you can now select the people that if you click on do not disturb that they can still call you. You can set on them. You can set on applications. Even in do not disturb, you can still get notifications. In place, you can allow notifications from this, and other they said apps not in your allowed list to send notifications marked as time sensitive. If you check on this, even when it's do not disturb, you'll still be getting notifications. They will see it. It will bypass it as time sensitive. So you want to keep it like this. And another thing you can do, you can add a schedule. Okay, you can add a schedule of when it automatically pops up do not disturb. Probably at night, you want to enjoy your sleep. You don't want people to call you to disturb you. You can actually use this feature. You can schedule it. For me, I schedule it to this, so you can actually do that by clicking on the time. You can set from to what time, and you can actually get that feature done. So I think that is there is an add filter here that you could use to filter it, and so you could just play around with it. You could change your customized screen, whichever one you want is fine. So yeah, I think it's a really good feature, and if you're at work, you could put it at the location if you want. If you're in this particular location, when you leave this particular location, you don't want people to disturb you. So I think it's actually very cool. So yeah, I think this feature works. So yeah, I hope it helps you.